Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So you can use stuff like the F14, which I'm using now, or the SE27, J11, and just pretty much things that have the long range weapons. With the SE27, it's like the ERs, the ETs, or whatever. F14, you're going to want to go into the secondaries, and it's going to be the AIM-54As here. So to make the preset, we're going to use the AIM-9Ds with both of the AIM-54s. No drop tank, because you will not be needing that for your mission role. And just pretty much fill it out on the other side with the AIM-9Ds and AIM-54s. So once you have that, you're going to want to click this button here, save. I'm not gonna, but you're going to want to, if you've not got that preset done. We're just going to quickly hop into a test flight here, and I'll show you what I'll do next. Right, so what you're going to want to do is just quickly take off from the carrier. Cockpit should close, yep. Right, up, up. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually, like, shows smoke on the carrier. Anyways, let's quickly go to controls before I forget. Go and search up weapon. Or secondaries or whatever, and then where is it? There it is. Switch secondary weapons. You want to use that to the most clearest and easiest button mapping you can use. Mine is top bumpers and R. Right, so now we're gonna search up radar. You're gonna want to get this one, radar IRST within visual range combat. Get that to a close one as well, and lock IRST on target. No, you won't be using this much often, but still comes in hand. And change IRST, change radar IRST mode. These two you won't really need for the time being. So yeah, what you're gonna want to do is click the within visual range button a couple times, and that should change it to 118. I'll just go with 118 because it's way easier to use it like that. And also, you're going to want to change the other one, change radar IRST mode, so it is now selected as TWS. So, you need a bit of altitude for this. We're just going to turn to the target. As soon as you're in the range of your radar to pick it up, it will automatically give you the TWS lock. You're going to click LB and A to lock it, and LB and RT to fire the missile. Okay? Please don't do this, only fire like 2 at a target. Because bear in mind, these missiles, they're only like 17G pulling, and they will be easily dodged sometimes. Sometimes, not all the time. I've died to these missiles quite a lot of times, but that's just my experiences in the Tomcat. So yeah, that pretty much covers on how to use the missiles and how to use the radar. Oh my god, I have done something interesting to my airplane. Wait, you reckon I can pull a Maverick? Ready? Watch. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. Right, please subscribe, and I'll see you later. By the way, I forgot, if you leave the aircraft, it actually does an ejection seat. Not for all aircraft, but because it's still work in progress, but still will do that. But yeah, that's the end of the video, and I'll see you later. Bye.